Hi everyone and welcome. So today we're going to look at some cars that I spotted on the roads, and I've got a cracking one at the end, so make sure you stick around for that. So the first one coming up here is a Porsche Taycan Turismo. Beautiful car in black. This second one is an old classic. And it's coming now, as you can see. And yeah, it's an Austin A40 Somerset. A real classic, that one. And I'll just show you the road because it was a really nice day. Or evening, should I say. So next up, I'm coming to the lights here and I see on the left a Chevrolet. I think it's a C20, but I'm not sure. So if you know, say in the comments. So I'm sitting at the traffic lights, just waiting for it to turn green. And then to my surprise, we have a TVR T350 coming across in front of me. So that was quite cool, and it sounded quite good as well. Okay, so this next one is some kind of wedding car. I had to do a bit of research on this one. I think it's called an Imperial. They're a modern car made to look old, to give it a 1930s style look to it. So yeah, I don't think I've ever seen one of those before, so put it in the comments if you've seen one before. Now, I know at least one of my subscribers will know what this truck is and will probably know who owns it. And it's a Leyland Riva 410 Turbo from 1976. And it was actually on its way to Bakewell for a show. Right, coming up now, we have a classic Morris Traveller. Always quite cool to see those Travellers. Okay, so this one was quite a surprise to see, I've got to be honest. On this section of road, I actually saw another car as well, a Lamborghini, but I didn't get it on camera. It was really late at night. So yeah, right. So I think this is a Bentley R-Type from 1956, but I'm not 100% sure, folks. But I'm pretty sure it's a Bentley. What a beautiful, beautiful car. Now we're coming up to one of my all-time favourites. I used to have this pinned on my wall growing up as a child. And it's the Mercedes 280 SL. What an amazing looking car that is. That is a true classic. Okay, so we are now up to the last vehicle spot. And does anyone know what this car is? It's a Pontiac Bonneville, the 4th generation from 1965. Absolutely stunning example, and I absolutely love that colour. That burgundy colour is always one of my favourite colours. There's a picture from it from a different angle, but yeah, an absolutely stunner that. I just took a photo at the end. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I just want to wish you all a happy new year. And here's to a great 2025, everyone. So remember to smash that like, check out the playlist and the recommended, and subscribe if you're new.